Hi, this is a condo in Punta Gorda, Florida, actually in Deep Creek, and it's a 2.5 bathroom, 2-bedroom, and it's on a lake. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. You can actually, there's actually fish in the lake, and there's also, right now there's an alligator in there. And the pool, there's a heated pool which is around the corner. And here's the living room, dining room, and again the kitchen. And now we'll go upstairs. Okay. There's the laundry right here. There's the washer and dryer. And here is the master. Here again, you have a little balcony and you can see the lake. You have a really nice view. And here are two closets, one on either side. Bathroom. Okay. This one has a shower, and it actually has a little seat where you can sit down. And the other bathroom has a tub, so if you'd like to take a bath. Okay, here's the other bedroom. Okay. There's a closet right there, and here's the bathtub, and here is the sink and toilet, and here again is the hallway and the beautiful lake. So, hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.